Debris, dust, flux, oil, grease, and corrosion build up on electrical contacts and can lead to contact failure and malfunction. The problems show up as electrical contacts sticking or welding, overheating of contacts, shorting, excess current or voltage, and overall poor performance. QD Electronic Cleaner from CRC Industries is a precision cleaner for your sensitive electronic equipment and parts like circuits and computer components, and it improves the electrical connections in your vehicle. It's plastic safe, dries quickly, and leaves no residue. The engine should be off, and make sure the power supply to the component or contact is disconnected. First, remove any corrosion or oxide formation on the area with an abrasive cloth or wire brush. Then, spray small amounts on areas to be cleaned. Again, CRC QD Electronic Cleaner is safe on plastics, so you don't need to worry about any overspray harming plastic housings or parts near the area. You can use a cotton swab or lint-free cloth to clean stubborn areas. Allow the product to dry thoroughly. This will happen quickly. Use CRC QD Electronic Cleaner to clean electronic equipment, ignition systems, contacts and connectors such as spark plugs, tool battery connections, circuit breakers, relay switches, thermostats, light sockets, and power receptacles. Once contact and connections are clean, we recommend using CRC technician-grade dielectric grease to seal and protect them from corrosion and help prevent contacts from becoming contaminated and bonding together. QD Electronic Cleaner and technician-grade dielectric grease from CRC Industries. They're the perfect 1-2 punch to clean and protect your electronics and help prevent contact failure and malfunction in your vehicle's electrical system.